I mean, from everything in your background, the picture or painting of the lady is staring right at me right now.
Let me.
We've got some lighters for some light. Oh gosh. Yeah, if you go closer. Oh my gosh. Hello, Ahmed.
Hello, Charmaine.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great because it's early morning here.
It's morning. It's like afternoon for me. So your morning is good and my afternoon is good.
Yeah. So, what time is it there in Thailand?
Currently, it is 10 minutes to 1 p.m. So
Ah.
12:50. What about there?
Okay, 10 minutes to 9 a.m. So we have like almost 4 hours difference.
Yes, almost 4 or 5 hour difference. My goodness. Not that much though.
Yeah. So are you trying to have lunch?
No, I already ate lunch actually.
Uh-huh.
Do you know what sticky rice is?
Sticky rice?
Yes.
I know the rice, but sticky rice. How do you cook that food?
Oh, I didn't cook it. I have no idea how to make sticky rice. But
Okay.
it is basically rice that you
Mhm.
cook, you put it into the fridge, and then you take it out and you steam it. And the method that you steam, your electricity went all ominous now.
I have a power outage just like South Africa.
Are you having some load shedding of your own, Ahmed?
No,
Oh
no.
my goodness.
Is it happened there in Thailand?
Yes, we've had power cuts, but luckily the power comes on rather quickly. I almost
Uh-huh.
thought you're busy scaring me here, putting the lights off, creating this ominous scene for me.
So you thought I was pranking you?
Honestly, I did. I was like, oh no, what's gonna happen?
No.
I'm preparing for my fighting.
No, this is the situation. The situation here is very normal. So, we have like a power outage. It's schedule. Sometimes like
Schedule.
6 hour on, sometimes 6 hour off.
I mean, from everything in your background, the picture or painting of the lady is staring right at me right now.
Let me.
We've got some lighters for some light. Oh gosh. Yeah, if you go closer, oh my gosh. If you go closer, it looks even creepier.
Do you feel scared?
Do you see me sweating?
It's like a
Ominous.
scary movie.
It looks like the nun
Whoa, yeah,
from
exactly.
that angle. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I know some people, they have like paints for the nun, this bad face on their like bedrooms. I don't know what's wrong with those people.
Oh no. I don't want that picture. No.
I don't know.
I think
So
I will never sleep.
imagine yourself like you are sleeping and
You wake up
when you
to go to the
wake up,
bathroom.
wow, okay, this is just in front of you. This is the first
Now,
thing that you will see.
two
Okay.
things will happen after it. Two
Oh
things.
yeah.
Number one, you woke up
Yeah.
for the bathroom, right?
I have
Number
light.
two.
Hey.
Oh, fantastic! That wasn't too long though, luckily.
Yeah, I told you.
What I was saying is if you have a painting of the nun, right? And the
Yeah.
electricity just goes out.
Yeah.
And you're thinking, oh my gosh, I need to go to the bathroom. So the first
Yeah.
thing you're going to do is you're going to stand up, right? And the second thing
Exactly.
is that you won't need the bathroom anymore after you see the picture.
After you see,
It will
yeah,
be too late.
you will cover yourself.
No, I think you'll go to the bathroom right there. be too late to run to the loo.
Yeah, believe me, I have seen some people, like teenagers, they hang on these paints, like these paints on their walls.
I don't think I'll be able to do it. You see, my walls have like nothing on them. Literally
Yeah,
nothing.
yeah.
So
No one, no one, no
sad.
one, no one there, no one there. Just you.
Yeah, there's literally nothing. I can even show you. There is
Yeah.
nothing. Nothing,
There is nothing. Yeah. Thank God. Thank God. It's
Vast
nothing here.
empty space.
Yeah.